Freemasonry always tackled about the foundation and the shape of the real Earth. Gagey Morris and I discussed this a while ago. Usually we visualize it as hollow, holographic, flat, plane Earth. Our Masonic compass, which is this, is a measure that correlates the position of Earth's objects. The disc represents the flat plane we are all living in. And this geometric shape of oblate spheroid only represents the dome, the firmament above and below us. Now inside those spheroid is a flat plane surface, and what beneath it is a black sun. And the black sun provides rays that is coming out from the center, on which represents the North Pole. And above it is the star Polaris, and around the hole in the middle is the equator. And our Masonic compass connects to each measure. Like as above, so is below. And the intersection of the rays is where the sun and the moon stands, orbiting on its own axis. So this is how the Earth looked like. Same position as the Mason compass. The rays that's coming from the black sun produce the real northern lights. As the light reflects through water, it can produce like rainbow, like colors, waves. So the polar, soul, lunar, and black soul is all connected. And that is usually represent this symbol in our compass. The black sun provides light for the moon and not the sun, because the sun always sets. That is why it is forbidden and banned to explore the most important part of Earth, which is far beyond North Pole. And this is the Rupes Nigra, or the Black Rock, the center of the holographic flat plane Earth, and located in the center of North Pole. And this is also the center of our Earth's magnetic field that we all call Taurus field. And the black thing inside this hole is the tallest mountain, and that is far more taller than the Mount Everest, also known as the Mount Miriam or Zion. That's why all compasses always point on the same direction. And the biggest shareholder in the world, which is the BlackRock, gets its name after that mountain. So now, this is all connected of the seed of life. As most of our ancestors and people way back are on bare foot, walking on the ground, in the purpose of charging body energies, which means that the surface we all stand on are made out of crystals. The sun and our moon rays, the energy and the light source they emit, often shoots our crystals. And that includes the crystals in our pineal gland that is shifting our consciousness. And the moon usually shoots our subconscious. I mean, yes, you get the balance of all things here. And the stars above us are all projections, usually already from the stuffs that already are around us. It's like a laser energy that does something to our body, as we are electric. It's the same on how they explain it on quantum physics, about the light of the protons that has shape patterns and waves. And this is what I explain about the singularity of oneness, or becoming one. The force that the black sun emits is so strong. That's why you are always confused about gravity versus the electromagnetism. And that is the reason why they put the fake sun, which is the patent of Sun Simulator. It's all connected. The real sun helps your consciousness to ascend high. The Sun Simulator that this government push is to drain your energy to be in the lower frequency, to drain your energy most of the time. So it is hard for you to ascend these days because the real sun is not it. And that explains the sunflower turning their backs from the Sun Simulator, because sunflower consists of phototropism, which makes it the ability to grow toward the real sun light source. Because the real sun light source provides molecule That is called the phototropin. And yes, only the real sun provides that. It's the same with our body. We cannot face this sun simulator that they push up because this lower our energies. The sun simulator produce heat, that it's the same with the microwave. And it's not good for humans, plants, animals. And these will all cause death on your livelihood, especially on our health. The real sun has healthy light source. The sun simulator will fuck us all. What do you think about all of this? Hit me up or hit Gage. Assalamu alaikum.